To build complex AI phone agents that can handle any task under the sun, you'll need MCPs. That is, of course, if you want the easy way. MCP has made it so easy for AI agents to interact with other apps. And so in today's video, I'll show you how you can leverage Zapier's MCP server to connect your AI agent to any app out there. And by the way, it's actually easier than you'd expect. Let's jump into it. So I'm here on my Zapier dashboard. In this case, we are working with two platforms. That is Zapier for the AI agent and Zapier for the MCP server. So go ahead and log into your Zapier dashboard. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one and log into your dashboard. Then you'll click on Create Assistant. Give your assistant a name. We're starting from a blank template, then click on Create Assistant. So I already created one, called it Zapier MCP Assistant, and it's quite easy. I actually don't have much configurations on this, so just give it a quick fast message and a system prompt. We'll quickly go through that. You're a virtual assistant named John, specializing in customer support. You have capability to do various tasks on the user's email account as well as Google Calendar using the function you have access to. Here's the current date and time, and I put in, this is an inbuilt variable on Zapier that gives the AI assistant context on what's the exact time right now. I added this because when I was doing tests in place, I wanted it to be able to create events on my Google Calendar. So notice over here, I told it has access to perform tasks on the user's email account as well as Google Calendar. And therefore, this means our Zapier MCP server has access to Google Calendar and Gmail. So let's get access to Zapier's MCP. So you'll open a new tab, search Zapier MCP. Scroll down here, you'll see Zapier MCP. Connect your AI to any app instantly. Quite some proper copywriting. Then you'll go ahead and click Get Started. Just follow the procedures. If you don't have a Zapier account etc, then log in to your dashboard. Since I am already logged in, I'll just search mcp.zapier.com. Okay, so you're seeing mcp.zapier, but now .zapier.com. Click enter, and you'll notice, by the way, working with MCPs, most of them just deploy their MCPs to their subdomain mcp.domain.com, something of the sort. So now you'll arrive at something of the sort. You want to click on New MCP Server, okay? Then you want to select a client over here. In this case, we are working with other client. Give a name to your MCP server, something like Google Calendar. So because in this case we are adding Google Calendar and Gmail functionality. So Google Calendar, Gmail MCP server. Doesn't matter the name. Then click on Create MCP server. Then now once you've added that in place, you want to now add tools to your MCP server. Give your MCP access to the apps that you want it to work on. So in this case we have Gmail and Google Calendar. So I'll add tool. The first one is Gmail, so I'll click on Gmail. So there are several functionalities you can do on email. Let's say finding an email, adding a label to an email, deleting an email, creating a draft, etc. But in this case, we want it to have access to all the functions on Gmail. So we'll click on Add All Gmail Tools. Then you'll go ahead and connect to your account. So if you don't have a connection to your account, just connect to your Google account via OAuth. Then you'll be done. It'll just pop up with a screen, then you can log in, then that's it. Then click on Add All Gmail Tools. Now that's been added, you can see all those functions there. Then the next tool we want to add is Google Calendar. So I'll add tools, Google Calendar, then I want to add all the Google Calendar tools. Then since I'm already connected to my Google account, I don't need to do much more. So I'll click on Add All Google Calendar Tools. Then yeah, now that's ready. Believe it or not, your MCP server is ready to connect to. So what you'll do is click on Connect tab over here. Then what you want to do is scroll down here, copy the URL that you're seeing here, go back to your MCP assistant or your AI assistant. Then first of all, if you didn't click publish so that you can save the system prompt in place. Then you want to attach a tool in place. So click on Tools. Click on the drop down, then scroll till the bottom and create new tool. Then create the tool in place. It's an MCP tool. Give it a name, something like MCP Zapier tool. You don't have to give it a description, honestly. Then scroll down here to server URL, then paste in your server URL. Then you want to add headers over here. So add a header, authorization, then the value is bearer. Then come back here to Zapier and copy your API key, paste it in there after bearer, then click on save. Then go back to the assistants tab over here and connect your tool in place. So I'll go to my Zapier MCP assistant. Okay, leave anyway. Click on tools. Then let me attach my tool in place. So I'll select the one that I have just created, then I'll click on publish. Now since that's in place, I'll just remove the one I already had, then click publish, and we'll do a quick tester. So I'll click on talk to assistant, and let's see that in action. So I've done the test and it wasn't working, and the reason for that is I noticed back here on Zapier, here on the actual MCP configurations, I think it didn't save well. It was meant to be client other, but it defaulted to Anthropic API, which is not meant to be the case. So you'll click on other over here, then you want to click on connect and get the SSE version of this. So here you're having streamable HTTP, but I want to work with SSE in this case. So click on SSE, copy the URL as is, then come back here to your Zapier server URL settings, then delete all that and paste it in there accordingly. Then you want to click on save. It's actually not this tool. It's meant to be MCP Zapier tool over here. So let me just continue there. So here on the server URL, I'll delete all that and paste in my new URL. This is for the SSE version of the URL. Click on save. The initial one was a streamable HTTP. Then once that's in place, you want to go back to assistants, Zapier MCP assistant, go to tools, ensure that the tool is in place. Then you want to talk to assistant, and let's test it out. So here on my Zapier MCP, here in the history tab is where I can see the requests as they come in.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I'm doing very well, and you?
I'm here and ready to help. What can I assist you with today?
So just kindly send me an email containing the following message: AI is awesome.
Could you please provide the recipient's email address and the subject line for the email?
So the email address is m.mutiso@begryp.com, and the subject line is hello world. Could you kindly
Hold on a sec.
Kindly, before you do that,
It seems...
could you kindly confirm the email address?
Sure, let's confirm the email address. Email m.mutiso@pgrip.com. Subject, hello world, is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Perfect, I'll go ahead and send the email. Here's what I'll include. Subject, hello world. Message, AI is awesome. Let me know if you'd like to modify anything before I send it.
Now just send it.
Just a sec. It seems there's a temporary technical issue preventing me from sending the email right now. I recommend trying again shortly. If you need help with anything else, let me know.
So when I go here to my Zapier MCP, then I go to the history tab, you can see all the actions that have come in. It attempted here to send the email first time, but it failed because it's saying the recipient address is required. Then it tried it again. This time it worked. So you can see here that it sent an email to m.mutiso@bgrip.com, but this didn't work. So when I go to my actual email address, you can see it's saying address not found, your message wasn't delivered. So yes, it attempted to send the email, but if the email was correct, it would have gone through. So it misspelled my email address because here it's meant to be begryp.com. So yeah, that's just an issue with our Zapier assistant, it not being able to transcribe the audio correctly. But yeah, it's actually working, so that's a good thing. But yeah, going back here, you can see all the things that are sent in. So the details that come in from the Zapier AI assistant, the email, the body, the subject, etc. And you can see all those details over there. And yeah, that's it. That's how you're able to connect your Zapier AI agent to the Zapier MCP. Zapier MCP will enable you to connect to any app out there, because the reality is Zapier has integrations with a wide range of apps out there, thousands and thousands of them. Google Calendar, Gmail, Slack, Salesforce. Just think about all of them and just imagine that you can actually connect all of them instantly to your AI agent just from the Zapier MCP. It's something that I saw in some past video when MCP was starting out. Is one of the YouTubers was mentioning that we will reach a stage where these automations platforms build their own MCPs, enabling you to connect to all the apps that exist out there. So Make.com would release their own Make.com MCP, Zapier the same case, Publi, NA10, they create their own MCPs, enabling you to connect to all those apps that are already integrated within them. enabling you to build very complex AI voice agents, AI chat agents in no time. Like, it really brings down the development time. So yeah, that's it from me. If you want to work with our team to build such powerful AI systems, then there'll be a link in the description. Go ahead and book in a meeting with our team. And yeah, that's it from me. Till next time, stay savvy.